Hi Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading about love or romantic situation. Just take what resonates for you at huwag ipilit itugma kung hindi para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates. Thank you so much, Aries. Tingnan natin kung ano yung energy mo and your person about love or romantic relationship. Ano yung energy ng person mo, Aries, towards you? How does your person feel about you, Aries? You might be dealing with a Sagittarius, Capricorn, Libra, Virgo, Leo. Okay. Your person is seeking harmony and balance, sa sitwasyon niya, and at the same time, naalala niya kayo. Aries, this person is obsessing, thinking about you. Okay? Yung person na to, meron din siya mga unhealthy habits, no? Okay? Yeah. There is merong energy of third party. But you are trying to make, or you are making a decision about this person. Nasi-stress ka na rin sa person na to, or you are thinking the worst, no? About sa inyong dalawa, about sa tao na to. Okay? Yeah, mahal mo, gusto mo yung tao na to. You want a new beginning with him or her, pero parang ang hirap sa part mo. Okay? Maybe meron tong nagawa yung person na to na hindi mo makakalimutan, no? And it is affecting your decision. Yeah. Tingnan natin kung ano to. Parang in dealing with this person, kailangan mo ng more patience, no? You need to be brave and courageous also to be with this person. Okay? Kailangan mo ng mahabang pasensya sa tao na to. Okay, for some of you. Tingnan natin, ano tong the Temperance. Let's see. Oh, the Emperor. Maybe this person is an Aries also, or merong Aries sa chart niya. Okay. So this person parang gusto niya ng stability, no? Sa kanyang sitwasyon. Yeah. He or she is trying to have balance and harmony sa kanyang emosyon. Okay? This person may mga unhealthy patterns in the relationship or sa inyong dalawa, and gusto niya i-end yun. Okay? Merong mga backstabbing and deception na nangyari, na nag-cause, no? Kung meron mang emotional detachment sa inyong relationship, and that person, parang gusto niyang i-clear yon sa inyo. Okay? Nahirapan na din yung person na to. Okay? Your person wants your attention and affection at the same time. Yeah, Six of Wands. Gusto niya i-correct or itama kung ano man yung pagkakamali niya sa inyo, Aries, or sa inyong relasyon. Okay? Gusto niya gumawa ng aksyon, no? Steps. Para ma-resolve kung ano yung issues, ano yung problema. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Maybe this person, parang naging detached ka sa kanya emotionally, no? Yeah. Yeah, you are protective of yourself and at the same time defensive, no? Kung meron mang mga argue or conflicts, no, na nangyari, okay, this person is also defensive. For some of you, there is lying, no? Or nagsisinungaling yung tao na to. Okay? Yeah. Or meron siya mga lihim, no? And parang hindi mo to makalimutan, Aries. Okay? Yeah, this person is protective, no? Or defensive sa kanyang mga unhealthy na gawain. Okay? Nagko-cover up or pinaprotektahan niya yung sarili niya. Okay? Merong lying. Tingnan natin. Ano tong the devil? Yeah, King of Cups. Yeah. So, this person is obsessing over your affection, Aries. They want to express their love for you. But, it's just that they could not, no? They couldn't. Parang ang hirap sa part nila. Okay? May kailangan pa siyang ayusin sa sarili. Yeah. Yeah, merong third party. Maybe this person na obsessed to another person. Okay. Merong energy ng same sex. And nag-cause ng trouble or isa to sa mga unhealthy habits, no? Or merong addiction or unhealthy pattern, no? Sa person ninyo. Okay? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest kung hindi para sa inyo. Tingnan natin, Nine of Swords. Ano to? Yeah. Mahal mo yung person na to, but then parang you feel, naisip mo, kinakailangan mong umalis. Okay? Or, Aries, you are expecting, you are expecting the worst in the relationship, yung para bang wala na tong solusyon. Okay? And, or maybe this person is leaving you and you are worried about this. Okay? Yeah. But you know, Aries, na you deserve something better, no? You deserve someone better. Pero mahal mo yung person na to. Okay? Yeah, you are worried that your person will leave you because of a third person. Okay? Ace of Pentacles. Let's see, ano to? The Hierophant. Okay, you want to be married with this person. Maybe, siguro engaged na kayo nito or matagal na kayo with this person. But then, nagkaroon ng third party, may mga lumalabas na unhealthy behavior sa person ninyo. Okay? Or meron man siyang, or kung meron man siyang nililihim, no? Or hindi maganda na ginagawa. Okay? Yeah. That's why you are hurt. Because maybe you are engaged to this person already. Okay? But now this person is making steps, no? Para maayos, magkaroon ng alignment sa situation niya. Magkaroon ng balance and harmony. Okay? Seven of Swords. Ano to? Yeah, Page of Cups. You want that your person, no? You want na, gusto mo na sabihin sa'yo ng person mo kung anong totoo, kung ano yung totoong ginagawa niya or nangyayari sa kanya. Maybe about this third party. How does he or she feels about this person, no? About the third person. Yeah. Gusto mo i-communicate ng person mo or aminin. Something like that, no? Kung ano man tong lihim na meron siya or merong deception. Okay? Na ginagawa. Okay. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, Five of Wands. So you are making a decision about your situation. Okay, merong conflicts, merong fighting, arguments every time. Siguro na nagkakausap kayo nito. Okay. Parang conflicted yung situation mo, Aries. You want this person, but then may mga hindi siya magandang ginagawa. And now you are making a choice. You are making a decision of your life if you're going to continue the relationship or not. Okay. Yeah. Parang nawawalan ka ng confidence, no? Sa inyong relasyon. Okay. Yeah. Queen of Swords. Okay. Alam mo that you deserve something better. Ano kayang mangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon if you're going to pursue this relationship? Okay. So you're thinking about that. Parang iniisip mo yung future ninyong dalawa. Okay? Or ano yung kahinatnan? Mag-grow pa ba ito or hindi? Okay? You want to grow. You want to nurture this relationship, Aries. But you want your person also to admit kung ano yung mali, anong problema sa kanya. Okay? Kung ano yung kasalanan or nilihim niya sa inyo. Yeah. Yeah, also, you want to know if this person wants to continue the relationship with you. Okay, mag-grow pa ba? Tuloy pa ba ito or hindi? Something like that, okay? Just take what resonates for you, but ito yung energy na lumalabas. Okay. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. So, patience is needed, no? Someone wants to feel na safe siya sa isang relasyon. Okay? Or sa relasyon. Yeah. There is a question about faithfulness or loyalty, Aries. And isa to sa mga tinitingnan mo, no? Before you make a decision. Loyalty, faithfulness is needed. Trust is needed, no? In the relationship para mag-grow, no? At magkaroon ng stability in the relationship. Okay? But your person is obsessing, no? Or siguro meron siyang addiction. Okay? Or unhealthy na habits, no? Na ginagawa. Definitely, there is a third party or a third person involved, no? In the situation. Okay. So, your person is finding balance and harmony sa life niya. He or she wants to correct kung ano yung pagkakamali niya sa isang sitwasyon or sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay. Well, nalulungkot din yung tao na to. He or she feels lonely, but then, merong pride, defensive, no? Parang ayaw niya i-admit, no? Ayaw niyang aminin. Tingnan natin. Some hidden truths about your person. I feel you leaving me behind. Okay? That's how your person feels. I regret lying to you. Okay. And I wonder if you are happy without me. Okay. So, iniisip ka din ng person mo. Feeling niya, iiwanan mo siya or wala nang chance sa inyong relationship. Okay. Nagsisisi. Tingnan natin. Oops. Additional message for Aries, please. Secret admirer. Someone has deeper feelings for you than they are letting on. Okay. The past is now behind you. Release it and embrace new possibilities. A new path is now available to you. Follow it with faith. Okay. So, meron kang secret admirer, Aries. And kailangan mo maging open sa mga possibilities. The past is now behind you. Okay? So, Aries, ito lang yung mga messages, yung energies para sa inyo. All the best. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!